Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, your online brother Jaspas Deck, and welcome back to School of Cardistry. As you guys may have known, we have done the School of Cardistry V1, 2, 3, 4 deck reviews, and today we're going to be doing the School of Cardistry V5s. Before I begin the review, thank you guys so much for the School of Cardistry V5 support. We couldn't have this show and this channel without the support of you guys. And if you're lucky to live in one of the countries with good shipping services and have your School of Cardistry V5s available to you already, please go and check out the download for the content card tutorial. It's free for you. So that means you don't need to spend any amount of money. Just type in the coupon code that's available in every single deck and you'll be able to download the tutorial for free. What's that I hear you say? I look good? Thank you. I think it's because of the color of my hair. Check this out. This green to blue to pink gradient. Super duper cool. I'm very flattered by the kind words you guys are saying in the comment section right now. It's okay, man. It's okay. You don't say so much nice things. It's okay. It's okay. Don't go type in the comment section like, wow, that rainbow hair color is super amazing, Jaspas Deck. Ooh, I wish I was you, Jaspas Deck. I wish my hair color was as cool as yours. It's okay. Don't say it. Oh yes, and as some of you guys may have realized, this video was shot in glorious, beautiful 4K. And in an effort to make this footage look even sharper and even more beautiful, I have decided to shoot with a higher shutter speed. Look at that. Everything looks so sharp and nice. I'm not sure if this is the best way to shoot it because shooting at a high shutter speed means no motion blur whatsoever. But let me know what you guys think. Do you like how my hand looks like when it's shaking around like this? Let me know in the comment section below. Alright, with all of that said, let's get into the unboxing of the School of Cardistry V5s. Let's go! Alright, as with most NDO playing cards, the School of Cardistry V5 has a very nice tear strip that goes around all in one try. Super duper comfortable, super duper easy to tear. Looking at the box, the front features not what you would expect, not a typical looking deck design. Instead, it has a much more modern look, much more suitable for the modern age of digital content. A header up here with your main content, over here on the side, almost like a bar for easy access to important pages right here. On the side, it says School of Cardistry with a new School of Cardistry logo. And on the other side, the image that was previously here continues onto the side. On the back, a beautiful visual of the cards and what they look like, almost as if they're falling from the sky, from the heavens above. And on the side of that, NDO, its team logo, School of Cardistry 5.0. On the bottom, instead of having the usual copyright, we just have a simple NDO logo. And on the top, we have the NDO seal. This seal, like most of our modern seals, is made of laminated sticker material, which makes it easy for you to stick anywhere you want. The box is made of a nice crispy cardboard material that makes the box sturdy and nice, and that slide the cards right out. The deck comes with 2 ad cards, one of the mission statement of our company, the New Deck Order, and the other card featuring a coupon code which allows you to download the Quantum Card tutorial for free. With those 2 ad cards out of the way, let's check out the new School of Cardistry V5s. Beautiful coral circles on this side, a semicircle, a coral semicircle here and here. And to go with these beautiful coral circles, we have this beautiful sea foam colored stripes that go down the back. You guys may notice that this look isn't very digital. It isn't like the typical triangle or tessellating pattern design that many of the other companies are doing. The School of Cardistry V5 design is much more organic, much more like nature. It doesn't have many very straight lines across the place. And within this small area right here, within the context of the entire rectangle, is this pillar design. I think this design is absolutely beautiful. The aesthetic is absolutely beautiful, showing our place in a much grander world of cardistry. Let's check out the faces of the design, featuring a nib at the corner up here and down here, with the word school going across the entire face, and on the thin red line that goes across, it has the words of Cardistry, of Cardistry, of Cardistry, of Cardistry. super duper cool. We have border breakers on the sides as per usual that allows you to do stuff like fans and spreads with much more beauty to it. If you have one of these decks in your hands, you'll realize the cards are nice and soft, nice and bassy. It's not sharp like some other companies' cards that it goes like instead it's a very soothing, soft bassy sound. In fact, I've alluded to this change in the stock of the School of Cardistry V5s a little bit earlier in the series of School of Cardistry playing cards. I mentioned that the School of Cardistry V4s, and in fact all of the cards before that, belong to what I would classify as stiffer, snappier stock. Whereas this set of playing cards, the School of Cardistry V5s, belong to a softer, easier to fan series of playing cards. I realized that most beginners have very soft hands and are not used to using cards that belong to a stiff family of playing cards, and because of that they would have bigger benefits if they use softer playing cards. And also softer playing cards feel better in the hands, more comfortable in the hands. This allows you guys to train for longer periods of times if you want to train for long periods of times. Alright, so let's take a look at how the School of Cardistry V5s look like in motion in certain cardistry moves. In a fan, this is what they look like. Very nice. The semicircle goes all the way across the design, creating a beautiful giant semicircle like this. Very visually pleasing, looks great in the hands. If you did a non-index corner fan like this, they look closer to normal playing cards with normal ordinary white borders. The salmon coral colored semicircle that exists in this side doesn't really affect the fans when you do a non-index corner fan. It's a really interesting element that affects cardistry that I really enjoy in this set of cards. On the backs of the cards, we also have vertical lines that go from top to the bottom like this, but not in a completely parallel straight way, which can be very visually interesting. But I think these curved lines provide much more visual interest. Just turning them like this looks interesting. The border breakers on the faces of the cards create visual interest in fans as per usual on both sides. So naturally, because they appear on both sides, even if you turn half of the deck upside down and shuffle them together, the border breakers don't provide any problems. And this is especially true because we use a good company with quality control that allows us to cut cards in a centered and straight manner. Some other companies may not be able to do something quite like that. So work for the School of Cardistry V5s actually began last year in 2018 when I was in Korea with Ansel, Dylan and Justin. And I began talking to the East Team guys because they invited me to their art exhibition for their playing card design. And yeah, it became a very long process of constantly refining and making more beautiful the new School of Cardistry V5 playing cards. All in all, because of the design and because of the way the cards feel in your hands, and perhaps because of the really professional way the East Team guys handled themselves and carried themselves, working on the School of Cardistry V5s happens to be one of my favorite working experiences on a deck of playing cards. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's your quick review of the School of Cardistry V5 playing cards. And if you haven't already, go pick up yourself one of these sexy School of Cardistry V5 playing cards. These cards are going to change the way you experience cardistry. They're going to change the relationship you have with your playing cards when practicing cardistry. And if you've already picked up some of these School of Cardistry V5 playing cards for yourselves, thank you guys very much for your support. Let me know down in the comment section if you appreciate the new 4K look of the tutorial video. Does it make a difference to you? Does everything look just a little bit sharper? Let me know. The new series of tutorials should be coming next week, and they will all be available in ultra high definition 4K! So I hope you guys are as excited as I am to see the new tutorials. Until next time guys, I'm Jaspas, and keep on playing with your paper. Bye bye.